Look at your phone. In the last 10 minutes, how many ads did you scroll past without a second thought? Probably dozens. Right now, thousands of people are launching Shopify stores thinking it's still 2020. They're importing the same plastic junk from AliExpress, using generic themes, and wondering why their bank account is still at zero. The truth? 99% of you are going to fail this year. Not because you aren't working hard, but because the dropshipping model you know is officially dead. Welcome to the 2026 Great Filter. AI has lowered the barrier to entry so much that the market is flooded with garbage. If you want to be in the 1% that actually makes it, you have to stop acting like a middleman. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 brutal reasons why stores are collapsing and the 1 invisible shift you need to make to survive. First, the commodity trap. Most beginners think they're selling products. You aren't. If I can find your exact product on Amazon for $10 less with 1-day shipping, you've already lost. In 2026, convenience is a baseline, not a selling point. If your store looks like a carbon copy of every other deal site, customers smell the lack of effort instantly. You aren't competing with other dropshippers anymore, you're competing with Temu's billion-dollar ad budget. If you don't have a unique angle, you're just a middleman nobody asked for. Here's the part everyone misses: AI is making it harder to stand out. Everyone uses ChatGPT for descriptions and Midjourney for ads. It's created an uncanny valley where everything looks perfect, but feels fake. Customers are craving the human touch more than ever. If your About Us page sounds like a robot wrote it, you've lost their trust. And in 2026, trust is the only currency that matters. Stop using AI to replace your voice, start using it to amplify it. The days of set and forget Facebook ads are over. Privacy laws have made targeting a nightmare. If your strategy is just put $20 into Meta and pray, you're gambling at a casino where the house always wins. The 1% are building owned audiences. They use TikTok and Reels for storytelling, not just ads. They build email lists like their life depends on it. When the big platforms hike your costs, and they will, your business shouldn't vanish overnight just because an algorithm changed. So, how do you win? You stop building a store and start building a micro brand. A store sells a product, a micro brand sells a transformation. Don't just sell coffee grinders, sell the feeling of a perfect Sunday morning. Don't build a general fitness store, build the recovery lab for runners over 40. The tactical shift: use AI to automate the boring stuff like logistics, so you can obsess over the creative. You have to be an entertainer first, a curator second, and a seller third. It's more work. But that's exactly why it works. The game has changed. You can complain about the algorithm, or you can build something that doesn't rely on it. If you want my specific micro-brand blueprint for 2026, drop a comment with the word "evolve" below. I'm replying to as many as I can to help you pivot. Hit subscribe if you're tired of the guru fluff and want the truth. Now, go watch this video next to see which niches are actually worth your time this year. See you there.